Okay, so I was rehearsing a little bit and I waved my hand and suddenly it was go time and the camera just started recording. So I guess it's time for the show. 3, 2, 1, go. Have you ever felt like you're not supposed to be here? Like you don't belong here? I have. I used to feel this when I was a teenager. I'm over 50 now. That was quite a while ago. And sometimes I still feel like that now. I have a concept for you. If you'll be open to hear it, I would love that. Now please bear in mind, I am not like someone that knows everything. I'm just on a journey here just like you are. And I think we all question, well, some of us don't question, we just accept reality for what it is. And we look at things just from the perception of all the programming that we've had installed into us since we were born. You ever feel like when you wake up, do you feel like you were somewhere else? Like you just got back? Like, do you feel exhausted sometimes? Like, where do we go? Hello. Must you have a little like roll on the floor attack right now while I'm in the middle of a deep existential conversation with the world? Huh? Ay, ay, ay. My dog was having an out-of-body experience. Anyway, where was I? When we go to sleep, where do we go? My philosophy is, this is something that I think about, is that this body is like a drone, a vehicle, a receiver, like a radio, receiving transmissions, signals. What if I told you that consciousness, maybe we're not here? Don't look at me funny. What if we're somewhere else? What if we are on in a different dimension, on another plane of existence? And we all come here to participate in this physical realm, this place where we can taste and smell and feel and touch and experience emotions and trauma and excitement, fear, pain, suffering, joy, happiness, all of those things. What if we don't have those experiences out there, wherever we are, in the ethereal world or whatever exists out there? What if this is truly a unique experience here that we get to go through on a daily basis and we just take it for granted? Like, what if this is like, we're traumatized here by this world. We hate it sometimes. We don't even want to be here. In fact, sometimes I can't wait for it to be over. True story. But what if this is like, there's like souls or spirits or whatever you want to call us. What if we're like waiting in line to experience this crap? Like, you know what I mean? Like, I've waited 3 eons to go and it's finally my turn to go to Earth. Like, what if this is like the shit? And we're down here in it like, this shit sucks. Like, what? Wouldn't that be interesting to die and realize that this world is like the big thing. Like everybody wants to come here and experience it. Like it's the thing to do. Can you imagine that? If we die and we come to find out, like, shit, man. And we find out it's the biggest thing in the universe. Like everybody wants to come here. All the spirits. Shut it up. Shut it up. What? Yes, I'm talking to the phone again. Why me, Lord? Why me? And yes, I hooked up with these two animals in my journey, in my stay here on the earth. Touch me again. See what happens. You want to see who I'm talking to? There's. Sit back. You're messing up my shot. This is Cadbury. Say hi. This is Skipper Dipper. Say hi, Skipper. Say. Good boy. Good boy. Anyway, those are the other two beings that I ended up meeting on this journey here, my stay on the earth. Yes, my buddies. They've helped me tremendously in my time here. I would like you, I pray, if you're still here, I know this is kind of an off video, but if you're still here, hit that like button, subscribe. I'm not quite sure what my channel is really about, but I plan to just be more me and stop being so whatever I've been trying to do over the past videos. I do like to talk about this experience here. I don't want to try to act like I know everything. Anyway, I just want to relate to people what I think about sometimes. Sometimes I feel like I just don't want to be here. Not like I have a horrible life, but that feeling in me has been there since I was a kid. Like, I don't belong here. Like, this isn't where I'm supposed to be. You know, where does a thought like that come from? Huh? Like, I also feel like if you've heard the words guardian angel, you know, I hear that some people don't have an internal dialogue, like they don't have that, like if nobody's talking to them, they don't think anything, like they don't hear a voice in their head, like, and I don't mean like the voice in your head, like telling you to stab somebody. I'm talking about I guess your subconscious, your higher power, your guardian angel, your devil, you know, on the shoulder type thing, whispering in your ear, let's go have another cookie. Let's not have another cookie. We want to lose 10 pounds. Fuck the cookie. Get me a couple more cookies. Like that internal, that battle, like whatever. I feel like you might be looking at me like I'm nuts right now, but I don't really care. Because it's my existence here, okay? And I'm just trying to relate. And if you can relate to this, you're not alone. I hope that you can understand what I'm saying. And if you don't, I want you to not judge people and realize and understand that other people might be going through an existence like me. And that they might feel the way I do. But remember what I said at the beginning of this. Where do we go when we go to sleep? I don't think we're really here. I think this is just the sandbox, the Minecraft. We're in Minecraft, like the simulation. And we come here to create. That's all I got for you right now. That's it. Not very scripted. Just yeah. Anyway, if you made it this far, leave a comment. I'll see you again in the future. I'm going through some shit right now, and aren't we all? So I'm not gonna be like, oh, woe is me. Woe is us. Till next time, a Baradochi. Thanks for watching.